Hello, my name is Sadia. Today I have learned some HTML5 and designed a small sample application using HTML5. Let me show you my small application. Here is my simple page named welcome and just a text written learning HTML. When I click on this text HTML, it will open me an about HTML page. Here I have just defined some text about what an HTML is, what are the features of HTML, and the code to write this page. Here is the code to write this page. We have to define a header tag, and within this header tag we have to define these navigation items by using order list, then a section which is our content section, in which you will define your content whatever you want, and within that section tag you have to define an article, and within that article you will define the text, whatever the text you want. And here in the end I have a footer tag, and within this footer tag you can write whatever you want to be placed in your footer. Next I have a video link. Here it is showing a simple video by just using a video tag. Here the video tag is used. Here video tag with its width and its height is defined, and its source tag which is defined within the video tag. This is how you can easily use this video without using any third-party tool. Let's see the validation. Here is just a simple email validation. What I have used for this, just a form tag, and within this tag I have used an input, and the type is defined email. HTML5 will recognize this type and will put a validation on it. And let's say if I put this just simple letters and then submit, it will ask me to put a correct email address. I put a correct email address and then submit it. It will show me the correct format of email address, that you have entered a correct format. This is just by by mentioning a simple type, by just mentioning in an input tag just a simple type email, and it will work for you. You don't have to define a complete validation expression to check whether the format is correct. Just by defining its type, it will show you the correct either you have written a correct format or not. This is the canvas, and within this canvas what it is happening here, when I click on this fill text, here it is showing me the text HTML5 is cool. And for putting a stroke on it, let's say I'll click on stroke text, then it will put a stroke on HTML5 is cool. And if I want to erase, I will just click on erase button and it will erase these. This is the canvas function. Here I have used within this content I have used just a canvas tag, and this will define that canvas on which I can design whatever I want to design just by mentioning a canvas tag. And all these within these buttons I have defined some functions which are completely running on script. Scripts are used, just a simple script are used on these functions which it is using. So HTML5 have really changed the coding and make it simpler for you. You don't need any third-party tool to design your animated sections or animated movies. This is how a simple application I have designed. Thank you.